All right, continuing topic 4-4, hopefully with no more child video bombs. The theorem is if two segments, this theorem talks about if two segments are the same, from the same, there's that word exterior, outside point, are both tangent to a circle, then they are congruent. Now basically what that's saying is, look at your picture. PQ's tangent and PR's tangent. If PQ and PR are tangent to the same circle, and they both are connected to the same exterior point, in this case, which is P, then they're congruent to each other. So that means this piece, this tangent, and this piece, this tangent, are congruent. So what I'm going to do here to find x is I know that 2x minus 3 has to equal 27 because I have two tangents that are coming to the same circle from the same exterior point. That's what's key. Same exterior point, tangent to a circle, the same circle. So I can solve here because I know handy dandy algebra. So 2x equals 30. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So x equals 15. How do I check that? I'm going to take the 15 and I'm going to plug it in over here for x. And I should get 27. 2 times 15 is 30. 30 minus 3 is 27. Therefore, that is correct. So those are your tangent theorems that you're going to use for this particular activity. Now, let's look at this example. All right, now I've got a polygon, which you've recognized as polygon. It's a triangle, and it is what we call circumscribed. Inscribed inside, circumscribed outside for the polygon. When circles are inscribed in polygons, the polygons are circumscribed. The polygon is circumscribed. The circle is inscribed. Inscribed refers to the shape that's inside. Okay? So, each side is tangent. So what we've done here is we've drawn 3 tangent lines. These are all tangents. These are all tangent. Okay? These are all tangent lines. So because they're all tangent to the same circle, let's use our properties. Point T contains 2 tangents to the same circle. That means TK and TL have to be the same measurement. They're both tangent to the same circle from the same exterior point. Point R over here is this exterior point that tangent RM and RL share. Since RM and RL are both tangent to the same circle from the same exterior point, they are equal. And you guessed it, the last one. We've got WK, RP, which you guys have probably never seen, in Cincinnati. Okay, you can tell I'm tired. And WM are both tangent to the same circle from the same exterior point. So they are congruent. So let's take a look at these. Now that I know these are congruent, and I'm shifting the paper here to make you dizzy, it's like watching the Blair Witch Project. Boy, that made me dizzy. That's really not important right now. It says TRW, triangle TRW, the perimeter of TRW is 50. So the perimeter, which is the total of all the sides, the distance around, is 50. TK is 3. Find TR. Well, if TK is 3, what's TL? It's 3 also. Y'all are so smart. Okay, so now let's look at what else we're given. We're given that WM is 9.5. Well, that means that WK is also 9.5, right? Okay, so we're trying to look for TR. Okay, TR is this one right here. From T to R. Well, right now I don't know TR, but I know that LR is going to be the same as RM. I just don't know what those are, right? Right. So how do I solve for TR? Well, before I can figure out what TR is, I have to know what LR is. And I don't know anything about LR except that it's the same as RM, right? But I've got the rest of the triangle, and what do I know? The perimeter's 50. So I know that 3 plus 3 plus 9.5 plus 9.5 plus x is going to equal 50. I know they're all going to add to 50 because that's the perimeter. So what I'm going to do here is solve this, and once I figure out x, I'll be able to find LR, which will then in fact help me find TR. So 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 9.5 plus 9.5, that's 19, so I've got 25, plus 1x is 2x, equals 50. Then I'm going to subtract 25 from both sides, so 2x equals 25. Okay, and then I'm going to divide both sides by 2, so x equals 12.5. 12.5, 12.5. Now how can I check and see if I got the right answer? Well, I add everything up and see if I get 50. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 9.5 is 15.5, plus 9.5 is 25, plus 12.5 is 37.5, plus 12.5 is 50, so that is correct. So so x is 12.5, but we're looking for TR. TR is this piece plus this piece, not just x. That's where a lot of people make the mistake. They write down the x answer like I almost did. And I'm pretty smart. So you have to make sure you read carefully. So TR, you have 12.5 plus 3, so TR is 15.5. So your answer is 15.5. And that's how you find the lengths. Again, circumscribed refers to the polygon because circumscribed means outside. Inscribed refers to the circle. And we use the property or the theorem that states when two tangent pieces are tangent to the same circle and they go to the same exterior point, they're congruent. That's why TL and TK were congruent, WK and WM were congruent, and RL and RM were congruent.